never fall. Will they even notice? Never care for a goodbye, Lord.